Hi friends, welcome to my channel Laxmiles 31. In today's video, I'm going to talk about stacked bar chart in Tableau. Let's get started. Stacked bar chart is used to compare the data between different categories, but it has the ability to break down and compare parts of whole. Each and every bar represents the whole of the data with different segments of bar representing different parts of the whole data. It uses a bar mark type. We have an inbuilt template for stacked bar chart in Tableau application. We can use it to easily create a stacked bar chart. Let me open Tableau application to show you how a stacked bar chart look like and how it can be created. I'm opening the Tableau application. I have already created a stacked bar chart. As you can see, in each and every bar we have multiple categories, and each and every color denotes different subcategories of whole category. For example, if we take category dimension in the column shelf, we have three categories over here: furniture, office supplies, technology. And in each and every subcategory we have multiple subcategories. That's what we are looking over here. Under furniture category we have bookcases, chairs, furnishings, tables. In the same way, under office supplies we have appliances, art, binders, labels, paper, storage, supplies. In the same way, for technology category we have multiple subcategories. One is phones, other one is machines, another one is copiers and accessories. Now we have seen how a stacked bar look like and how it can be used to compare categories and different categories, or compare different dimensions against a measure and compare it over the whole data. Let me create another sheet. I'm taking category here in the dimensions and bringing it to the column shelf, and I'm bringing sales to rows. To create a stacked bar chart, we need to create a bar chart first, and then I'm taking subcategory and bringing it to color mark. So this way we can create stacked bar chart manually. Instead of that, we can take category, sales to the rows shelf, and click on show me palette, select a stacked bar chart. This way also we can create a stacked bar chart instead of manually creating it. So this is for single dimension. If you want to compare multiple dimensions, you can take one more dimension and bring it to the column shelf. This way also we can create by bringing the category here and dropping the subcategory to color, because category is the main dimension under which we can display subcategories. So it should be displayed in the column shelf, and the supporting dimension should be in the color, so that we can compare the whole data of category against each and every subcategory. This way we can compare different values or different categories under whole data. This is it, guys. Thank you, guys. Thanks for landing at my channel Laxmiles 31. If you like my video or like my content, please like, share, and let me know in the comments what could have been better. And if you have any questions for me, do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.